Hello, we're still doing the exterior of the E-Type Jaguar, my own take. Enjoy! Right, I made the CAD for this. Looks like that. And this airbag, if you will, caps it off nicely. Airbag is easy to trim, I just need to paint it. My plan for it is literally to have a piece going in the middle of it, and the chrome on both sides. Should be nice, maybe a little logo eventually there or something. But this one is a bit of a pickle, wheel itself. I am not sure, my idea eventually was to kind of like wrap it around like that. But it's too, how shall I say this, there's a lot of form to it, deceivingly. So let's just give it a go. Let's give it a go. That's the steering done. Moving on to the headrests. Wrapping it follows the same thing we've done with the other parts. Here I'm gluing some threads, they're used for stitching leather. Moving on to the cushion now. Although these are compound surfaces, I was able to wrap it all in one piece, so there was no problem. Applying the threads, same as on the headrest. Moving on to the squab. This is a cutting disc I'm using to sand with. In fact, it worked very well to get the bulk of things out of the way and then use sandpaper. Right, this is the bulkhead. We're gonna wrap the whole thing, hopefully in one go? I'm not sure. You know, I looked into it at first and I thought, yeah, one go. And then looking into all these nooks and crannies, maybe... I tell you what, let's go for it. Why not? Live a little. Ooh. I've done so many of these in the last 2 days, I just feel like bored of them. I want to do something different. This area here doesn't have to be, but because it's like negative, it needs to stay stuck in. So I put one there and one there, and I don't worry about the transition in between. Okay, here we go. Le moment de vérité. Mill that way. Okay. So I'm going to pull the center slightly in, so we can have that bulge out of the way. deal with one problem at a time. Get in! It's getting there! This is lovely. The moustache. Thanks for watching. See you soon.